welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I'm going to show you something different that I had came up with. I was eating some vegan fish for a couple of days. Then I had wanted to switch up the flavor because, you know, I wanted to try something different. So I was like, okay, what can I add to it? What can I add to it? So I was looking at my refrigerator, looking through all my sauces and stuff. So I decided to add some General sauce on top of the jerk, the jerk fish. Now, the vegan fish that I'm using today, I showed it back in July of 2019. It's from Maywa. Actually, I had breaded it. I had made fish fry back in the episode. It was episode 81. You can check that out. And I also showed some more Maywa products. I showed a lot of Maywa products back in June 2019 on episode 80. I went on a vegan food haul and I bought like all the meat substitute, all the fish substitute. I showed a lot of episodes on that. That's episode 80. Check that out. It's a lot of products from Maywa. They got a lot of stuff. I'm telling you, from ribs to steaks to everything. But yeah, today I've got some jerked General vegan fish. Now I already put the jerk that I use is Grace. This is a good one right here. Tastes good. Yum yum. And here's the General sauce that I use. You can use anyone, but I like this one here. This brand is good. I'm gonna drizzle it on top. Well, actually, you know what? Let me show you what it looks like first before I do that. There it is right here. Light on. Here's the vegan fish here. They got vegan salmon as well too. They got a lot of different varieties. And some look exactly like the real deal. They got lobsters. They're shaped like a lobster. That stuff freaks me out. But yeah, they got different varieties in there. And this is it right here. I already got the jerk on there. Right here, the jerk marinade. And then I mix it up like this. And I'm good to go. Real simple. Just something creative that I came up with. Because I had wanted to try something different. Because I love me some jerk though. But I had one. And I also like some General. And that's all. Stay tuned for more with Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen. And have a nice day. Bye. Mwah.